This PDF includes 4 invitation template options, 2 evites, and 2 5x7 invitations, each with a different backing option. Choose the template you want to customize by clicking the button below it. This will open the template in Canva. Click View Template. If you do not have a Canva account, it is free and easy to open one. Then return to this link, click View Template, and start customizing. To add photos, click the Upload button in the left menu, then click Upload and select your files. They will appear below when fully uploaded. You can drag and drop images into the image boxes. If you want to reposition a photo, simply drag and drop it into the box. Then select the crop option up here. Now you can move your image around in the box. You can also select Smart Crop to have Canva position your photo for you. To edit the text, simply click on the text box you want to change and type in your text. While many names fit perfect in this text box, some names don't fit. For example, Samantha Smith doesn't fit. For this reason, this text box is unlocked, and you can change the font size by clicking up here to make your name fit perfectly. You can also move an unlocked text box by clicking here and dragging in the direction you want to move. For this template, most elements are locked in place, so they don't move while you add your text and images. If, however, you want to change the template layout itself, or the size, position, color of any element, you can do this by unlocking it. To unlock an element, click on the lock icon twice. Now you can use the top toolbar to make your changes, such as a new font size, font style, or letter spacing. When you finish customizing your template, you have the option to print with Canva by clicking here. For your order, Canva lets you choose the paper and finish you would like for your invitations. You can also select rounded corners, and Canva provides images of what your design will look like when it's printed. If you're printing your invitation somewhere else, or want a digital file for an eVite, you can export the finished design by clicking Share, Download, and then choosing the file type you want, and clicking Download. And that's it! Thank you for supporting my Etsy shop. If you have any questions or need any help, don't hesitate to message me on Etsy. And congratulations to the class of 2026.